he's in the water too. After an awesome meal at the Pig and Anchor, we are up here on the mini golf course, way back here on deck 18. And I gotta say, the golf balls feel like they're, I don't know, they feel like little plastic golf balls. I'm not used to playing with this, but look at this, man. It's gorgeous sunset out here tonight. And we're gonna play a little mini golf. I don't know who's gonna win. I got, here's my nephew Quinn's right there. Brother-in-law Randy's right there. So their very first cruise, he's really playing some good air club, I guess you'd call it, air club. Let's see how he does here. Oh, look at this beautiful sunset happening behind us. Nope. So far, I've got 2 hole-in-ones. Randy has got a 10, Quinn's got a 12. That's where we're at right now. Just kidding. 6, I got a 6. I got a 6 so far. Look at this, isn't this fun? Really fun. I don't know why they don't have the bolt running. The bolt should be running at night. That would just be really killer. Okay, Randy is lining up for the dreaded Plinko shot. Here we go, let's see what he does. Let's see what he does. Oh, rims the cup. Oh, he's going down the center as well. Comes out. Oh, he's in. Oh, yeah. He's in the hole. So that was a hard-fought battle on the, I don't know what we're going to call that, the Carnival Mardi Gras links. Randy got a 22. Quinn, did you keep adding?
It's beyond 22.
It was beyond 22. I got 22. So Randy and I were tied. So Randy, how'd you feel about that play today?
It was a good play. I failed late in the game. Started strong, but you know, went to pieces. The nerves.
Most impressive though, he got 2 hole-in-ones. I forgot to record them, but he got 2 hole-in-ones in a row.
That's right.
Yeah, very nice.
And after that, it all fell apart.
It all fell apart after that. And then Quinn never really got started, did you? Quinn, what do you think was your trouble today?
Well, just not getting the lucky bounces.
Not getting the lucky bounces. Well, I got to say, Carnival, nice golf course. I'm going to give it a birdie. All right, I'd give it an ace, except they weren't regulation golf balls, so they kind of threw us off a little bit. Would you say, Randy?
Yes, they were odd, little light golf balls.
Yeah,
Almost like a wiffle ball without the holes.
Almost like a wiffle ball, yes. So Carnival, give us some real golf balls, and I will give you an ace on this course. But folks, this is a lot of fun. You got to come back here. Carnival Mardi Gras, the very back of the ship. Play some golf. Okay, so we're walking up to the bolt. My sister-in-law Heather here. She's going to be driving.
No, Quinn's going to drive.
Quinn's going to be driving?
Quinn's going to drive.
Okay, so the nephew's going to drive. I opted not to do it, so we're going to watch Heather do it instead. I'm here with my sister-in-law Heather, and I've got my nephew Quinn over here. They just rode the bolt, so first impression, Heather.
It was really fast. It really flew you out of the starting gate there. I'm not sure how much you really control the speed. I just opened it up and kept it there the whole time.
There you go. Quinn?
About the same thing. I opened it up all the way. He told me, he was like, you know, if you hit the full throttle, you can also use the left. It's a boost, but my left never moved. I didn't know.
Still, like, I think as you went up some of the hills and into some of the curves, it slowed you down.
Oh, it auto brakes for sure.
Yeah, it auto brakes.
It auto brakes you on some of the hills for sure. I'm sure it's for safety.
They don't want us flying off the ship on a roller coaster. That would be unique. So the bolt is $15 per person. That's even if like 2 of you ride on the same car, right?
That was my understanding when I booked it. It asked how many riders, and I selected myself and Quinn. But then when we got up there, the family in front of us, they went each individually. So I'm like, well, if I can drive my own car, I'm going to drive my own car. So we each drove.
So there you go. So it's $15 per person. So even if the 2 of you are riding in one car, or when you get up there, just ask for 2 cars like these 2 did. Some rules: you cannot have your bathing suit on. You cannot have open-toed shoes on. So you got to have closed-toed shoes.
Dry. That was
You got to
also-
be dry. You can't be wet because again, we don't want you flying off into the ocean. That would be bad, right?
You got
That
to
would
take
be
off your
bad.
glasses, and we had to take off our lanyards and take our phones out of our pockets.
Nothing.
They do have little compartments up there for you to stow your stuff.
Yeah. So to anybody coming on the Mardi Gras and then the Celebration Jubilee, is this a must-do?
I would say if you like the fast rides, it's a fun ride. I don't know. I would necessarily. It's a must-do, but
Okay.
it is a fun do.
And Mr. Quinn.
It's also not a must-do, but it's fun if you want to do it. So.
Fun if you want to do it. So $15 per person. The Bolt is currently on the Mardi Gras, coming soon to the Celebration and the Jubilee. Thanks, guys.
Yep.
Family photo.